Hello guys. Today's video is going to be quite different. It's going to be a sit down, but it's also going to be a vlog style video as well. So we're starting out vloggy and then we're going to end with a sit down. Blue is all up on my leg. This is my dog. For those of you who don't know, this is our doggy, Blue. But yeah, I tried to look a little cute for y'all. Instead of having on a scarf, I tied it into a headband. Try to spruce it up for my Jamila viewers. So yeah, Blue, why are you following me? All right, so right now we are in our unfinished basement, and we basically use it for storage, which is fine, but I came up with the idea that I could also use it, and we could also use it as a, oh my gosh, spider webs, oh Lord. We could also use it as a studio. Lights, I already have lights, I already have a table, umbrella lights, all that good stuff. I already have all that stuff, so just have it set up to where I can come here and shoot my videos instead of just having videos shot in random places in the house. It'll be cool because I won't have to like move stuff around and move it from one room to another room. It'll all be centralized and organized and well planned. Basically, the first thing I'm gonna do is move all of this stuff out of here because this is now my studio. Yay! Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is just move around the room to get rid of like spider webs so that I'm not walking into spider webs. But yeah, we have lighting, we have electricity down here, we have AC down here. So the only thing we have to do is get these walls and everything enclosed in, and we're thinking about either hiring someone to come do it or we're gonna do it ourselves. So we haven't decided yet, but we have decided to make this my studio. This box right here is actually all of my filming stuff. It has all of my fabrics and shooting stuff that I've always had. I've just never used it because I've never had the area, but now I've realized I've had it all along. Oh goodness. All right, as you can see, I've cleared the area, but take a look at everything else. This has now became the new area, and I've kind of organized it in different sections around the basement. Blue's over here acting as if he didn't get a bath yesterday. Okay, y'all, lipstick is gone. I just got finished sweeping this area out and bringing all the tools downstairs that we had upstairs. So I'm about to set up everything. Okay guys, so I have finished setting up everything that I have. I'm kind of upset because I cannot find my backdrop. I have only the side parts to the backdrop, but I don't know where the stand is, and I don't think that this is the stand. I don't know, I'm a little upset about that because I would have liked to have like the background set up too. But here's my table and my chair. Here's the setup, guys. The lights, the camera, what's it called, tripod. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. Let me sit down and see how it feels. Hello guys, and today we are blah blah blah. Oh my gosh! Okay guys, actually I was wrong. I have all of the pieces. I am just using one of the pieces for my ring light, but I'm about to take that ring light off. And you gotta come look at the stairs. Y'all, I swept up all of these stairs. It was piles of dog hair all over the stairs. All right, let's do this. Let's try this again. So guys, honey, you're my light. Are you? Yeah, you were in my light. So I have everything set up. We reached another dilemma, y'all. In this whole room here, there's no outlets. So I'm gonna have to get an extra long extension cord and plug in my lights. Right now this is just natural sunlight, and Marcel actually turned the light in this room off. But I have a backdrop. Oh my gosh, I got a steamer, so I'm gonna steam the fabric once I see how it looks with the lighting. but this is gonna be fun. Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm hungry now. So the next time you see me, it will be time to tell you guys how Marcel keep walking in the light, y'all forgive him. But I'll be telling you guys how I organize and plan my day-to-day life. I'll be giving you a weekly and a daily synopsis of what I do to plan my day, organize my day, make sure I'm getting enough water and food, and just monitoring all those good things. So I'll be checking back in very soon. Hello guys, and welcome back. I am here. I told you next time you see me, everything will be set up, but I am so excited to bring this information to you guys today. Again, I am here to share with you how I successfully plan my day-to-day life and a weekly schedule as well. The weekly schedule is for cleaning up around the house, so that is your cleaning schedule. I have one of those that I want to share, and a laundry schedule that works for me. So I'm just sharing with you some things that work for me, and I hope you guys will get some information, some valuable information from this video. So I have my iPad here and my Apple Pencil. So I pulled up my cleaning schedule. It's a weekly planner, and what happens is first of all I list out everything that needs to be done in the house. And what I've done is I've assigned a certain task per day. So on my Mondays, I do all countertops in the house. So, Blue, hush. He's whining because Marcel is here from work. But yeah, so on Mondays, I do countertops. That's every countertop in the house. That can be the kitchen countertop, the bathroom countertops, the bathroom sinks, anything, any countertop, the shower area where we're putting our soaps and stuff. Those little things, I consider them to be countertops. The tub area where things are sitting on top of the tub, I clean that on countertop day as well. All right, on Tuesdays I do floors. So that means I'll be vacuuming upstairs. And this is not just me and Marcel, me and my husband, we can do these interchangeably. He can help me out sometimes, I help him out sometimes. It's just for our household. This is what is done. So on Tuesdays we got vacuuming upstairs, we Swiffer downstairs because we have hardwood floors on the main level, and we have carpet on the upper level, but in our bathrooms we have like the tile. And sweeping, like after we dust down on the main level, then we'll sweep up any areas, or we'll sweep up what we've dusted. On Wednesdays we have mirrors and glass. So every mirror in the house is cleaned with some Windex, or clean. I have Windex and I have natural glass cleaner as well. All of the mirrors in the house get cleaned, as well as glass. So we have these big glass doors on our deck, leading out to our deck from our kitchen, and so we clean those glass windows, or those glass doors. On Thursdays, it's stainless steel day. So all of our appliances in our kitchen are made of stainless steel, or made with stainless steel. Our kitchen is full of stainless steel appliances. So I have the stainless steel cleaner, and I will clean the refrigerator. I will clean all of the appliances. That means outside and inside of those appliances. The microwave, the stove, clean. We have a gas stove, so I pick up the little things that are on the top of the stove, and I remove those and clean up under there once a week every Thursday. On Fridays we are dusting. So I have little duster sheets, I have a duster little wand, I have all type of dusting. On Fridays we just dust. Hey honey.
Hey.
I missed you, honey.
You look pretty.
So yes, on Fridays we're dusting the blinds, we're dusting the TV area, we're dusting the countertops, not the countertops, the window sills. We're dusting everything, okay? So that's Fridays. And then on Saturdays we are decluttering, guys. So that means we're going into these rooms that still need to be unpacked, doing some unpacking. We are getting rid of some clothes that need to be donated. We're getting rid of shoes that need to be donated. We're clearing out Blue's little area and decluttering his area. So there's so many things that still need to be decluttered. I feel like decluttering never ends. So yeah, that's what I created as far as our cleaning schedule. A good cleaning schedule for the week. And then on Sundays we rest. There is no cleaning on Sundays. On Sundays we get some rest. Okay, and now we're moving to laundry. Laundry. Everyone's, you know what, some people find laundry to be therapeutic, and I kind of find it to be therapeutic in a way, but it can be all consuming if I don't have a good schedule in place. So I created this schedule that I'm about to share with you guys now to just alleviate the stress, alleviate the worries, and I can just get things done in a more feasible way. Basically, laundry consists of 3 main things, okay? The first thing is that you need to wash your clothes and dry your clothes, okay? That's number 1. Wash, put the clothes in the washer, then put them in the dryer. For me, that's a task in itself, so that gets 1 day, okay? So on Mondays, I wash and I dry the clothes. On Tuesdays, I fold and sort the clothes. And on Wednesdays, I will put the clothes away. And then we start it all over on Thursday. Thursday, wash and dry. Friday, fold and sort. And then Saturday, put the clothes away. If we're following our schedule, that means on Sundays, we get to rest again. So on Sundays, there's no laundry, there's no cleaning. So that was a weekly schedule. Now I'm about to move into a daily schedule. So for my daily schedule, I use an app called Zinnia. Zinnia is not available on the older iPads. She's also not available on my phone. So I'm kind of upset about that, y'all. I wish it was available on the phone, but it's not available on the phone. It's only available on the iPad, and if I'm wrong, please correct me. But Zinnia is a planning app, and it actually, that's how I made my weekly schedule, and it's how I use and produce my daily schedule. For Zinnia, the app, I'm not gonna give a complete tutorial. If you want a complete tutorial, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll try and make you guys a complete tutorial of how Zinnia works. But yeah, Zinnia is an app, and basically every day I make a schedule. It offers different templates, and my favorite template is the one you see now on the screen. It gives me an area to put my top priorities. I am able to document how much water intake I'm getting. I'm able to list out my meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm able to list out things I want to do throughout my day in a 30-minute interval. I'm also able to document everything that I'm thankful for that particular day. And it has an area where I can monitor my mood. Maybe I'm not feeling that well that day. And productivity, I can like monitor how productive I feel. And lastly, I can list out my routines. That was just a quick overview, guys. I hope this video has helped you guys in some way. Please let me know if there's anything that I left out or anything else you want to know. Let me know if you would like any more information from me as it pertains to planning. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. This is a part of the how-to series where I'm teaching you how to plan your day and your week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.